So this tip is about using a match function to make your VLOOKUP function dynamic. I'm going to first insert a match function into this cell, equal MATCH, tabbing that into the cell. And what we're going to do is match the value that's in this cell, cell B6, comma, with the lookup array that's defined to be that area right there. And the match type is an optional argument. I want an exact match. Closing the parentheses, Control Enter, and I get the number 3. Because in that area, we're starting here and going to the second and then the third column, and there is the B. If I insert a column, I'm going to get the value of 4 because we're starting here, 2, 3, 4, and the B is now in the fourth column in that table array. So I can use that in a VLOOKUP function to make the column reference dynamic. Equal VLOOKUP, looking for the value 1 in this table array, comma, and the column index number we're going to use the match function to determine. Inputting the match function, we're going to look up B, just as we did before, or the value that's in cell B6, comma. The lookup array is the same area that we defined before, comma, and the match type is the exact match. Closing the match function, comma, and we want to find an exact match for the VLOOKUP. Control Enter. And of course, we get the value of 2. Because in this table array, we're starting here and looking for B, which is right here, and the value in that row is the number 2. So I can insert a couple more columns, and the VLOOKUP function continues to provide the correct result in that now expanded table array, where the match function is returning the number 6. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the sixth column in the table array, and the lookup function returns the value of 2, which is still correct. So using the match function to determine the column index number makes the VLOOKUP dynamic, and it doesn't matter how many times you insert or delete columns in between the value that you're looking up and the first column in the table array, you'll always get the correct answer.